perlread1.pl Perl script, we're going to look at how we can process each entry in a file using a loop. So let's go take a look at the code. Alright, we have our directive, we have a comment and another comment. We say $fileIn equals $argv square bracket 0 square bracket. This is what we passed in from a parameter. This is the equivalent of the $0 in shell scripting. While there are records in the file we pass in, we write it out to the whole screen. This is the whole the whole record to the screen. And right here is how we add 1 to a counter. And then when we're done with processing each entry in the loop, we write out the file in has these many number of lines. Alright, so this is a variable that accesses the command prompt, and we put into this variable. While this file can be opened, we write out to the screen the whole record, and we up a counter by 1, and then when we're done processing each entry in the loop, we write this final status message out to the screen. Alright, so let's show you how this works. We have a file called names.txt containing these values. So each one of these is going to be processed by the loop until there's no more. So 6 times that loop is going to go over and over and over again. Oh, I got to write quit. Alright, so now what I do is I say perlread1.pl names.txt. And there we go. Let's go take a look at how we accomplish this. I passed in names.txt, which was put into this variable. This variable then was put into a special variable called $fileIn that allows us to read a file. This actually looks like Darth Vader's TIE wing fighter, but it's not. It says read each record in this file one at a time, put it out to the screen. That's how I got Brian, then Dan, then Joe, Louis, Liza, Lorraine. That's how we pulled that off. And then we upped the counter by 1, and then when it was done processing each number in the array, in the file, I'm doing too many of these in a row, that we put out to the screen what the file name is, see right here, has 6 lines. That's how we accomplish that.